Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number or version number. So let's try to check it in version. As you can see at the top of this list we've got version number, so this is the number we are looking for. Let's keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got this information, so now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter additional settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find developer options. And as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can select mock location app, we can manage the notification channel warnings. Here we can also override the force dark, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected to the networking, because here we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically all of those options work just like in the regular settings. So let's tap on the switcher to activate the option and tap on it again to turn it off. And of course, if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list to find this switcher developer options. Let's simply tap on it to deactivate all of the options, most of the options. As you can see, they are not visible. And let me go back to the additional settings. You can see that the developer options disappear from this list, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.